Did you know cancer kills nearly 10 million people every year? It's one of the world's deadliest diseases, and experts predict that new cancer cases could rise by more than 75% by 2050. But here's the good news. Medical science is fighting back harder than ever. Thanks to revolutionary cancer research, AI technology, precision oncology, and personalized medicine, the way we prevent, detect, and treat cancer is transforming right before our eyes. In today's video, we'll uncover 12 powerful breakthroughs in cancer treatment that bring real hope to millions of patients and families worldwide. From vaccines that train your immune system to fight cancer, to blood tests that detect the disease in its earliest stages, these innovations are changing the future of healthcare. Here's what you'll discover in this video. Personalized cancer vaccines, new treatments that prepare the body's immune system to fight tumors with fewer side effects. 7-minute cancer treatment jab, a life-changing injection that replaces long 4 sessions, already being rolled out by the NHS. Blood test for 80 early-stage cancers. A simple, cost-effective test that could revolutionize cancer screening worldwide. Precision oncology, cutting-edge genetic analysis that allows doctors to target tumors with customized therapies. Global healthcare advances, why low and middle-income countries face the greatest challenges, and how new innovations can help close the gap. These aren't just theories, they are real-world medical breakthroughs backed by scientists, doctors, and health organizations. Together, they offer new hope in the global battle against one of humanity's biggest killers. Whether you're here to stay informed, spread awareness, or learn about the latest cancer research and medical breakthroughs, this video will inspire and educate you. If you find this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to Befitest for more life-changing health updates, natural remedies, and science-backed wellness tips. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our weekly uploads. Together, let's spread hope, awareness, and knowledge in the fight against cancer.